Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and a rare model. Features also include remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear parking aid, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics, MP3 player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.